guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter Gay and I am the cleaning mommy. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of cleaning motivation. I will be cleaning my kitchen, I'll be cleaning my fridge, and I'll also be doing some grocery shopping. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. This video is also a collaboration with my mommy friend, ThisMamasHouse. She is a wife and a mother of 5. She just had her newest member of her family, her baby boy, on Father's Day. That's the best Father's Day gift ever. She posts all sorts of homemaking motivation. You can find cooking, cleaning, mom life, healthy lifestyle, and so much more. So make sure you go over to her channel after you finish watching my video and let her know I sent you. Don't forget to leave her a comment and say hi. So let's get into this video, guys. So right now I am taking out everything out of my fridge section by section so I can clean my fridge and have it looking good and smelling good. You know this wouldn't be real life if I didn't have this little one here on my hips, but he just woke up, and whenever he wakes up he's a bit fussy and doesn't want to be put down, so I have to hold him a little until he is feeling okay, which now he is, so I can finally clean with both hands. The struggle of mom life, you clean and your kids make a mess. So I'm trying to put these water in the fridge, and as you can see, my little boy right here just making a mess of everything, and my toddler was such a mommy's helper, helping me to put all the water in the fridge. So as you can see how dirty the bottom of the fridge was, something spilled there, and I think it was probably one of the meat, but it was looking really nasty, so I knew it was time to clean this fridge. Now that I've finished cleaning the inside of the fridge, I am now just gonna wipe the outside, and then all these stuff that I took out the fridge, I'm just gonna throw those away. And after I finish taking everything off the table, I'm gonna take off the tablecloth, I'm gonna wash that, and then I'm gonna wipe down the table. I think it's time I need to stack up on some alcohol, because as you can see, a girl's about finished and I need some more. My husband just came home from work and he was complaining to me about a few co-workers that have been tested positive for the COVID-19 and are still coming to work. His job know what's going on and they are trying to keep it hush-hush, and they are also telling the employees that they should work their 40 hours, but they're going to cut their paychecks so that they don't have to lay off anyone. Now that my fridge is clean and the kitchen is clean, I'm gonna change my clothes and we are gonna go to the grocery store. Huh? we are back home and my husband is about to put the groceries away. But you will see that after my husband started putting the groceries away, I ended up having to go behind him to redid it because I wanted the fridge to look neat and tidy and coordinated, and it was not getting done based on how he was doing it. So after he put everything in the fridge, I ended up going behind him to redo everything. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got all the motivation you need to get some cleaning done. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post, you can be the first to know and you can get all the amazing content to get you motivated to get some cleaning done. If you made it all the way to the end, you are a real OG and I truly appreciate you. So make sure you leave a red heart in the comment to let your girl know that you made it all the way to the end. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you.